Hello everyone, it's Edward, and this is part 5 on our how to install laminate flooring series. Hope you enjoyed the previous videos. If not, check them out and enjoy this one. Thanks. Here. And then over the pry bar against the wall on the piece. Give it a tap. That's it. So what do I have left here? I have another piece and a bit, but I'm going to rip it down first, and I'm going to keep a 1/4 inch away from the wall here, but then I have to make sure that I have enough room to put my channel here. Okay, so floor is laid. All we have to do is put in our transition piece from the tile to the laminate floor. So this here is a T-mold, and that's what's going to finish off the both different flooring. In this case, I have to shim the metal spacer, or the metal, I guess, channel. I have to bring it up a touch so that by the time it's laid here, my T-mold will sit properly on the floor. So I ripped down a piece of 1/4 inch plywood just to act as a shim, because I want my metal channel to be more or less flush with the two finished floors, okay, so that the T-mold sits in properly. In this case, on this job, this is what I had to do. You might have to use a different shim, or probably no shims at all. Maybe you get lucky, but you want this channel itself to be maybe 1/8 of an inch lower, no more than, you know, the lowest part of your floor. So in this case, I already measured, I pre-cut, I did all my things, and you know, I needed to rip down the 1/4 inch piece. So I'm just going to put the 1/4 inch piece in first. I left all my allowances, so if you want to zoom in and take a look at how the way I figured it out. Okay, so the metal's supposed to go in there, but we're going to shim that up because you want the top side of this channel to be more or less flush with the finished floor. That way, when you put in your T-mold, you know, you'll have all of this going into your channel properly. So I'm just going to put a little bit of our PL premium glue. Grab my little shim, put it in, center it, and I'm just going to, these brads are just to hold it, just so I don't get frustrated if it's moving around. Okay, so now with that shim, this metal channel is almost flush, just maybe 1/16 from the laminate. The laminate here is the lowest part. The tile is a little bit higher off by 1/8, because the tile and the mortar was a little bit thicker. Okay, so I went ahead and I pre-cut my T-mold so I can make this a little quicker. Now, we didn't put the baseboard on this wall yet, but I grabbed 2 pieces of the baseboard and the finished shoe mold that we're going to put on, and I'm just going to see if it fits. So that's it, it's in between the 2 trims. You probably have something different going on at your place. Now what I have to do is I have to center the channel in between the space and fasten it down with the screws that it came with. They're Phillips. Change out my bit. And center my piece. So I'm using screws without plugs because under this we have our subfloor that we did. Okay? So I'm just going to put 4 screws in here. Make sure it's centered, make sure it's straight. And you want it centered so that you can see even gap on the tile, proper measurements, and on the laminate. Hopefully that's what you have in your case. I'm going to center this again. I love these Phillips screws. Okay. Yeah, you gotta love Phillips. We're Canadian. We use Robertson. But we get stuck with using Phillips because almost everything they sell has Phillips. Just gotta pre-drill one hole in the steel. When you're screwing that down, don't over tighten it because it's gonna bend the channel and close it in, so it's gonna be hard to put your T-mold in. So make sure it's just snug, not over tightened. Let's see if we get lucky. That's it. Make sure before we continue, everything's good. Looks good. Here's my rubber mallet. And that's it. Ta-da! Take a look. Your T-mold's finished. Our laminate floor is finished. That's it. Right? So you can get different T-molds for different heights. When you're doing your floor, the only way you'll really know, if there's a difference is when you get closer to the end. So you probably have to make a trip to the store. But I already knew what I needed. And this floor was higher by 1/8 than the laminate because the tile was almost the same thickness, but add the cement, the mape underlay, and that's where we got a little bit higher. And that's it, folks. Talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Here's our laminate floor, all done, ready for door installation, casing trim, and baseboards. So this is laminate floor done on top of our previous video of the how to do a subfloor on top of concrete. And that's it. So we used a nice product. It's a transition pieces. And that's it. Ready to finish it off. Here's the other transition piece at the door to the tile. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. There's a lot coming up. I just have to take the time to put them together and edit. We have a garage build on the go. Got a bunch of how-tos coming up. They should, at least 1 or 2, be out in a couple weeks. But there you go, folks. If you want to do it, you can do it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.